In the previous section, we had seen how to update particular queries and particular table values. Now we are going to check how to delete particular element or the particular rows on the basis of given condition. Here I am going to check how many columns are there in my table order details which I have run the query for which I have run the query. Now I'm going to check which is having discount is equal to 0. Okay, so most of the rows are not having discount equal to 0. Okay, so I can do one more thing. The values those are having discount, for this I'll write, in order to write the delete query, I'll write delete and then from, then table name and the where condition. So delete will erase all the elements those will fulfill this condition where discount is equal to 0. But as of now we don't have any quantity which is having 0, so I'll write like 35. So for this I'll write delete from which table, it is order details. Now what is the condition where quantity, you can see it is giving suggestion, is less than, let's say I'm having 10. So the rows which is having less than 10 value along the rows will be deleted from my table. So I'm going to execute this. Now you can see 128 rows are affected. Now I'll check what are the entries, updated entries. So select star from order details and execute this. You can see none of the rows is having quantity below than 10. This is 35, 15, random, check random values, 10, 15, 10. So none values are having quantity in single digit. All are having 2 digit, that is more than 10. Suppose I want to delete all the rows, those are having quantity is greater than, let's say 30. So I can do that. Now 250 rows affected or deleted from my data set, and I'm going to run this code again. Now you can see the values are in between 10 and 30 only, because more than 30 quantity I have deleted the rows. Okay, now I can count how many values every time, how many values I am remaining here. So I can use count aggregate function to see how many rows are remaining. So as of now I am having 465 rows remaining after delete operation. Okay, now I can check any another value like unit price, also quantity. If you are having any integer value or any character value or any string value there, then you can write quantity is equal to quotes, single quotes, and then let's say sales. As of now we don't have any, sales is not string value, not character values, data type. It's having integer whole number. So I'm giving just an example that if it were in the format of, in the data type, with the data type of character or the float, then you can write as it is, quantity is equal to sales, or the any value, or the, suppose you want to delete the country, which is country, country is equal to, let's say India. You want to delete India element, you don't want to display on the board, so you can write this query as it is in this way. Thank you.